I am not perfect, no, that's imaginary, but I'm a masterpiece. You know I do it for me. And all my colors and paints, all my lines and my shapes, every move that I make, I do it for me. I am not basic, it's self-explanatory. I am a masterpiece. You know I do it for me. Ooh, la, 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 la. Oh, just the way I like it, yeah, yeah. And when the day starts.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I hope you guys are doing well. So into this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved the makeup look in this video. So if you want to see and know how I achieve it, please keep watching. So I've already started with my brows. So right here I'm using the INGLOT brow gel in number 22. So next I'm gonna go in with MAC Studio Finish concealer in the shade NW45. So I'm just using that to clean under my brows, and also I'm going to apply that on my lid. So that will serve as a base for the eyeshadow. And for this tutorial, I'm not going to be setting the concealer with powder. So next I'm going in with Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette in the shade Blazing, which is the orange shade on the palette. So I'm just applying that on my crease. Next, I'm going in with a yellow eyeshadow from the Electric Obsession palette, also from Huda Beauty. So I'm just putting it on top of the orange eyeshadow, just to erase the top of the orange eyeshadow, and also just to blend everything out. So I want the top to be, the crease to be really bright. So yeah. So next I'm going back in with the same brush I use in applying the orange eyeshadow, just to blend everything together, just to blend the orange and the yellow eyeshadow together to make it seamless, because with this look I don't really want any line showing. So next right here I'm going in with black eyeshadow from INGLOT. I'm just applying that on the center of my of the lid, also lifting it a little bit towards the crease. So right here I'm going back in with the same brush I use in applying the yellow eyeshadow. I'm sorry, the orange eyeshadow. So I'm using that to blend out the top line of the black eyeshadow, to making it seamless, blending the black and the orange together. So with this kind of makeup, you want to make sure to blend it really well, so that will really give you the perfect look you're going for. So next I'm going in with, from the same eyeshadow palette, I'm using the shade Desert Sand. So I'm just applying that on the on my brow bone to give it that really pop highlight. So right here I'm going in with the what's it called? Hold on, let me check. I think it's called Turkish Delight. So I'm just putting that on the center of the eyelid right there, just to give it that pop and also give it the hollow eye kind of look. So yeah. So right here, before going into apply my my liner, I'm going ahead with MAC concealer to clean out the just to cut out the part I'm going to be applying the liner. So just because the way I use black eyeshadow and I want the next color I'm going to be applying on the wing line to be really pop, so that's why I'm using the concealer to clean it up. And plus, yeah, I know I don't have orange liner, so I don't have orange eyeliner. So right here I'm using the Anastasia lip palette. I'm using the shade, the orange shade from that palette. So don't judge me, okay? This is called makeup hack, okay? So now that the eyes are done, I'm going to move on to the face. So before going ahead with my foundation, although I've already applied my primer off camera, I'm going in with a setting spray, just spraying it on my face. So next, I'm going in with my foundation from Fenty Beauty in the shade 480. So I'm going to be applying that using my foundation brush. So I've already applied my concealer off camera. I use the same concealer I use on the brow bone, the same concealer from MAC in the shade NW45. So right now I'm going in with my sponge and just blending out the concealer. And right here I'm using the same sponge I use in blending out the concealer into applying the powder. And this powder is from FLORMAR. This is their invisible loose powder in the shade Silver Sand. So I'm just using that to apply the powder on the areas I applied the concealer. So next I'm going in with my brown powder from MAC. This is the Studio Face powder in the shade NW50. So I'm just using that to set the rest of my face and also cutting out the contour area. And now I'm going ahead to blend everything in. So after applying my setting powder on my concealer on top of the highlighted area, I like to go in with the brown powder to blend everything out, also to get rid of the whiteness of the setting powder. So I've already applied my blush off camera. So right here I'm applying my highlighter, and this highlighter is from FLORMAR in the shade Rose Gold. So next I'm going to be using the same makeup brand. This is their weightless lipstick in the shade Pumpkin. So I'm just using this as a base for the next for the next color I'm going to be applying. So next I'm going to be applying this color right here from the Anastasia lip palette. So I'm just using that to line the outer line of my lip. And next I'm gonna go in with my lip gloss and apply that on top of this. So here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for the love. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.